welcome back to a new video, people. Today I'm with
Macorlee from Macorlee Travels
on Instagram. Go check him out, link in the description down below. Today we're at an abandoned house, but we're going to do the workshop first and his garden, or this person's garden, because there's a lot of stuff in the garden, and apparently the house is a bit of a trash, like, ruin where kids go. So we're going to do the more interesting thing, to me anyway, first. Alright, catch you in a bit. So this is one of his 3 workshops. Look at these old bikes. Just in the garden. Some like chains around here. More bikes. It's just full. It's ready to fall down as well. Got a bathtub. I didn't even notice this. There's a bathtub here. Got wardrobes. Got some sort of jar with loads of yellow. Yeah, probably wee. But yeah, like wardrobes, cabinets, chairs, you name it, any sort of household item. We've got mirrors, probably all in here. Bunsen burner there. Right, moving on to the next part. We've got door frames. Why? Is it bad? Ah, you should be alright. It doesn't look like it's like leaning in too much. Got tiles or something. What, is that a bird?
Yes.
Is it dead?
Yes.
What is it?
It was, you know, when they stuff them.
Yeah. There's a stuffed bird.
Its head's gone.
It's taxidermist. That's what it is, isn't it? Taxidermist. But like, look at this. That looks like an eagle or something, isn't it? But yeah, look at that, people. Dead bird. Did you not come in here last time?
Just a picture from outside.
Ah. But look up here as well. Just piles and piles of... yeah, just stuff. Yeah, this is all safe. It doesn't look like it's gonna fall yet, the roof. So, how strange. Like in here that was some sort of machinery, but it looks like it's been all pushed into one now. I'm gonna go down here, and here's the house, which we'll be doing in a bit. But gonna find Macorlee first, in here. Wow. So again, it's all furniture. Do you reckon he made this to sell it?
Not a clue. It's just a hoarder.
Or a hoarder, yeah. But look at this, all doors. I reckon he made this and sold it. Like, look at this. I don't even know what this is, but it's old machinery.
No, if you keep your light in there. Down about that.
And that is Macorlee doing some photos for his Instagram. at that. There's tons of it. All these doors and like furniture for bedrooms and houses. It's crazy. Anyway, on to the next one. Oh my god, this place gives me the creeps already. This place is completely trashed now. I can't see it anymore. So there are holes in here, apparently, on the floor. Whereabouts? Is it? Oh, there.
Yeah.
What's the best way to go around it?
Oh, I just walked through and stepped over them.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's all wet and soggy. There's holes in the roof as well now, second floor. Look at that. Yeah, it's probably going to have to avoid going upstairs. Jesus Christ. Look at this. Old record player. I don't want to risk even going over there, to be honest, people. Look at this. There's like holes in the bottom floor. But that's the fireplace. That was a mirror. That was a drawer. Wardrobe. A lot of seating in here, and it would have been a nice room. Ooh. Okay. Okay, that was safer than what I thought it was. Look at this.
Christ.
Was that not like that last time you came?
I don't think so.
Yeah, this house is ready to fall down. Oh my god, I've just seen the ceiling. Look at the ceiling here. It's all bending in, down here. It's all bending in. Yeah, I'm moving. I'll see you later.
I don't think that's the bedroom was there.
No? If you do come here, people, be very careful with this place. It's very damaged. I can't even really make out anything in here. Like, obviously you got an iron board. Oh my god. This room. This room stinks. All the old birthday cards, photos of him, are on the floor. Look at that. This place won't be standing much
That's
longer.
why I didn't go upstairs this time.
Yeah, I'm not going to either. All this, look at this though, all the glass is lined up on the fireplace. But this is a first for me, people. The room's safe, cool. Look at this piano, intact, in this room. And all these books. Wow. Look at them all. Quick cookbooks. Look at this, cards up here. So we found a diary. Oh, it's just a cat, there's nothing in it. But 1998, the date on it. What's this one? It's just a book. Look at this. Oh my god. I imagine that was his dog. Right there. And that's an old heater. Old school heater. And this is the room which has got a massive fire damage in. So we're going in. Oh my god, the floorboards are like not good. Anyway, Jesus Christ. So we got like microwaves, roses, Cadbury's, Pringles, celebrations. But look at these people. The old school tins from back in the day. Really old TV. That's where the fire started. You can tell here. Oh, we got old food in here, like moulding, spam. Old cooker. This is going to be the end of the video, people. Please hit that like button, please subscribe, go check out Macorlee, he's over here. Link in the description to his Instagram. I'll see you all later. Peace. Since filming this video, the house has sadly been burnt down, destroying a lot of the things left inside.